Hello and welcome to our new lecture. In this lecture, we will explore how we can navigate the SAP planning into the new homepage of SAP Analytics Cloud. In this new homepage, you can see that the Just Ask powered by AI has been introduced, whereas on the left side, the Learn about SAP Analytics Cloud, there are the interactive tutorial available, learning journey available, and when we scroll down, there is a quick actions and resources, release update, roadmap explorer, help documentation, and a lot more are present here. Whereas whenever we move on to the system, we will have the recent files here, and here we will have our matrices, and feature files will be listed here. So if we more scroll down, we will have some very informative and helping course material articles which are very beneficial for learning SAP Analytics Cloud, whatever it is planning or whatever you want to learn about SAP Analytics Cloud. So let's let's note down one thing, that you have to download the important data sets for this for this exercise, for this learning journey of planning. So let's go to the files and then right click, select the open app in new tab. So I just click the open into the new tab. Here it is. Now go to the public folder. After that, go to the right planning trigger, data sets. Here it is. Now make this two favorite, this folder Experience Academy SAC Planning. Now click on this folder. After that, you will have the folder of dataset. Here it is. Now you can see that the HR forecast.txt file, PNL, these all are the related data sets. Now whenever you will click on the file will be downloaded to your local PC or laptop. Let's click one by one all the files, because we have to use all these data set for our training journey of SAC planning. Here it is. Now let's go to the folder. Now when we explore our download folder, we can see that HR, PNL forecast actual, and the SAC planning runbook is also here, and SAC workshop is also here. So let's double click on the SAC workshop file. When we click on the SAC workshop file, it will open into the uh, definitely Excel format. So let's explore what are the contents in this file. So hopefully this will help us to clear our SAC Analytics Cloud planning journey. Here it is. Now our file has been opened. It has the ID, description, hierarchy, formula, and and many other very interesting columns like exception, aggregation, and so on. So these are the data. This is a file which we will use to explore our learning journey. and we have the PNL actual, we have the PNL forecast, HR, HR related information, HR, uh, JD or JF files. So let's close it out. So let's explore the SAC Planning Runbook, what it has. Here it is. Now it is comprised of 152 pages. So let's scroll down, find the, let's make it zoomable, so then we can easily find the contents of this file. Here it is, SAC for planning. The main heading is SAC for planning, SAP Analytics Cloud, SAC for planning. So this is a complete journey, complete handout for studying the planning. We will go through this complete document, and we will do all the practical example related to each module. Either it is story building, model build, profitability, forecast, and number 6 is with model data action calculation. Number 7 is value driver tree. We have discussed the driver oriented planning, and we have also discussed the what if analysis. So collaboration, at last we will explore the collaboration. So this is the main theme. This is a complete journey which we will explore a step by step, and find what is the for what is the behind the scene of SAC and its cloud planning. So uh, till uh, till now you have understand that what is our roadmap, what is our goal, what is our target. So let's have a look at complete this file. So this file is very interesting, and in this file each and everything, each and every step is very briefly explained. But when we will do some practical exercises, practical assignment, you will get clear all the points very easily. So let's meet into the next lecture. Thank you.